Hi friends, I'm going to sing Old Rugged Cross. Oj त्या वयल्या दोंगरार आसा एक वटो कोरीस जेसूच्या कोश्टांची निशानी मोग म्हाका त्या कोर्साचो ताजे जेसू आमचो संवसाराच्या पातकांपासून मेलो तो कोरीस काळजाक दवरतलो वोरविकाय दाखोय नासतना गोटोरून वेग मारून रावतलो एक दिसासनी जिवीत जितलो On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross where the tear rests and bears for a world of loss. Sinners was slain. So I cherish the old rugged cross till my trophy at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. देव बरें करूं.